All right, everyone, welcome back. Time flies by to another unboxing here from AliExpress. And so let's get right into it. I recently did a G-Shock mod with one of these kits from AliExpress, and I've been wearing it for about a month now. And it's getting some normal wear and tear, but it is holding up really well. It is very, very well made, and I've been extremely happy with it. As you can see, it's got already some scratches on the bezel. But yeah, looks really, really good. I'm happy with the way it came out. This is the fully titanium one. And so today we are gonna be, well, the mod is unboxing and mod is for this watch here, which is the DW5600. And it's as closest to the original G-Shock as you can get. So module 3229 and yeah, DW5600E. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. And I went full Bling Master. So it gives you the tools, gives you a Phillips, a flathead, a spring bar tool, quick release spring bars, and some gold matching screws for the case. But check this out. Really, really nice. Fully milled clasp. 4 micro adjusts. Really nice stuff here. And here we have the case. So it's actually not that bad. I don't have a scale close to me, but I will weigh it in another video. But this looks really, really sharp. It doesn't feel that heavy, to be honest. I know it's the full metal and I have the titanium version, but it doesn't feel that heavy. Oh, they actually taped it here, so. Yeah, I see what they did here. They didn't overlap. So yeah, excited to put this one on. And I'll be showing you guys exactly what it looks like as soon as I do that. Not sure when I'll get a chance. It's been really busy at work, working 7 days on, 1 day off, 7 days on, so forth and so on. But yeah, look at that case. Very, very well made. Very blingy. And just for a reference, here's the original Casio compared to an AliExpress mod kit. Now on the website, or on the AliExpress listing, it does say it can fit multiple models. It can fit 5600 series, but then there's no specification or reference to which 5600. It just says 5600. So hopefully it will work on the watch that I'm trying. If not, I'll probably have to return it. So yeah, I will not peel off any other stickers just in case that's the case. But it is really, really well made. I have to find out if it's a spring bars, which it may be. But yeah, so I'm gonna have a better look at it off the camera. And if you guys see another video being made coming up, you'll see what it is, if it was a success or not. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you that pretty much all my G-Shocks are going to be on some sort of bracelet, because that's how I prefer them. That one has the titanium. This is a JDM all stock with the Combi version 2. So that one's really cool. And now I'm going to have the G. And these two here, so these are my other G-Shocks. These two here, they can't be modded because they're the newer carbon core. They got that kind of reinforcement underneath. And so I bought a kit for these ones before, but you can see how it's raised a bit. It didn't fit. So these ones are going to stay on the resin band, which is good to have a G-Shock on the resin. And then the other three will be my daily, on the bracelet style watches. So Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. And like I said, hopefully I'll do a follow-up video and make sure everything works. And we'll see you then. Cheers.